two. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Karan, many happy returns of the day. Do you know which is the happiest day of my life? It is the day when you were born. 19th July is the happiest day of my life. I've written something for you. Let me read it out to you. Happy birthday to you, Karan. You've brought me so much joy with every little thing you do. I'm glad that you are my boy. I still remember having you on that joyous day. The tears I shed of happiness said more than I could say. I thank the Lord from up above for giving you to me, then made a pledge to care for you to the utmost degree. Through the years you blessed me much more than I could you. I love you so, my dear sweet son. My pledge I do renew. Happy birthday to you once again, Karan.
Hi Karan, thank you so very much for bringing this 19th of July in our lives as such. Many happy returns of the day. I want to tell you something today. Do you know something? It is so very difficult to be a parent to two young brats as such. And today I'm feeling so very proud, after a span of nearly 30 plus years. I'm feeling so happy and so proud that both my brats have grown into very young, responsible human beings as such. The elder one very well settled in New Zealand, doing extremely well in his life. And here you, the young boy who used to run after the kites as such, who had a passion to fly kites, is flying planes today. What a journey you've traveled, Karan. And you and me together have seen so many ups and downs as such. Such a lot of laughter in our life. Such a lot of tears we've seen together. And how we've gone together, both of us, is really amazing, Believe me, I can write a book on your journey from a little boy to a pilot today. You will not believe it, Karan. This date, we keep waiting for the entire year. Me and my wife, your mom, both of us eagerly wait for this day so that we can celebrate. But it's been so that, for many years we were not together because you were flying outside and we were here in India, not celebrating your birthday today. But we are so blessed, after so many years we are celebrating your birthday today, and not only celebrating your birthday with you, but with such a beautiful and wonderful girl, Hina. That is another big gift that you've given us in our lives as such. Thank you very much. Wish you a very happy birthday once again, and wish you many more years of joy, good health, happiness, and anything that you really dream of. I'm sure you will get it. Stay blessed always. And here's for you. Cheers.
Hello, beta Karan. Happy birthday. May God shower all His blessings to you. May your all wishes be fulfilled. बेटा कोरोना की वजह से हम नहीं आ सके, मगर डोंट मिस अस. आवर ग्रेटेस्ट रिप्रेजेंटेटिव इज विथ यू ओनली. हैव फन, enjoy and celebrate your day. Okay, enjoy बेटा.
बेटा करण, many happy returns of the day. हम भगवान से यही प्रार्थना करेंगे कि तुम जिंदगी में हमेशा तरक्की करो, खुश रहो, स्वस्थ रहो. बेटा अगेन many happy returns of the day. जन्मदिन की बहुत बधाई.
Three.
Hey, inspirational,
Handsome.
hardworking,
Smart.
awesome,
Loving.
amazing, caring, Prince, wishing you a very happy birthday.
Hello Karan, a very happy birthday to you and wish you all the best in your life. The longest non-stop flight in the world, scheduled by Singapore Airlines, takes 19 hours from Singapore to Newark, New Jersey. They call this kind of flying ultra long haul UHL. I wish one of the days you take this flight from Singapore to New Jersey. I also wish you the third monthly anniversary yesterday. Belated. Thanks a lot.
Hi Karan, happy birthday to you. I just want to tell you that number 19 is the tarot card sun sign associated with happiness, self-confidence and success. I wish you all the success in your future. May you fly very, very high.
Happy birthday, Karan. Wish you many, many happy returns of the day. May this year be full of happiness for you. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Karan. Happy first married birthday. Enjoy your birthday and your married life.
Hi Karan, wish you a very, very happy birthday and may you celebrate with the little one next year.
Hi, Karan. Wish you a happy takeoff and happy landing. Wish you many more to come.
Hip hip!
Hooray!
Hip
Hooray!
Have a blast.
Hooray!
Bye.
Wish you a very happy birthday, Karan. We love you. God bless you.
Hi, Karan Chacha. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip, hooray. Hip hip, hooray. God bless you.
Hi Karan, wish you a very, 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 very happy birthday.
Hey Karan, wish you a very happy birthday. May you be blessed with the best. And of course your first birthday as a husband. Have a good one.
Happy birthday, Karan. I hope you have a great year ahead. It's the first birthday after marriage, so every person has that one thought in mind कि after marriage मेरा birthday कैसा रहेगा, how my partner will make me feel special. So I guess Hina's doing best what she can in this lockdown period, so make the most of it. कभी सोचा नहीं था कि सेम सिटी में होने के बावजूद on your birthday, we'll not be able to meet or party together. So I hope this corona is over soon. And we get to meet Fufu. So happy birthday, Fufu. Have a good one. Take care. Bye. Love you.
Happy birthday, Karan. Say happy birthday, Fufu.
Happy birthday, Fufu.
God bless you with a very, very good year. No more quarantine birthdays. Lots of flights to fly and a holiday to Australia soon. God bless you. See you soon. Bye-bye.
Hey Karan, happy birthday. Wishing you lots of happiness and love. I know and I hope you get a lot of surprises from Hina. It's your first birthday after marriage. Enjoy your day. Cheers.
Happy birthday, Karan. Have a good day. God bless. Take care.
Bye.
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 Karan, many, 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 many happy returns of the day. Mubarak ho. Happy birthday, bro. Congratulations on this wonderful day, Karan. Really feel from the bottom of my heart how we cherish these memories of hope, courage, and today as you embark on this fresh journey with your new partner, I really feel that with her as a co-pilot and you as the pilot, please enjoy this new journey of life and really feel from within, that I will do everything and never regret in my life. Never will I feel defeated. Yeah. So congratulations and happy birthday once again from the bros. Take care.
Happy birthday, Karan. Have an amazing rest of the year. It's full of coronavirus, but I hope you get the best out of this year. This is your first married birthday, if that makes sense. But I hope you have an amazing year and the best of luck for your future.
Many happy returns of the day. Stay home, stay safe. और करण, क्या हाल है? पहचाना बेटा? मैं रामदेव बाबा। आए थे ना तुम मेरे पास दवाई लेने? समझ गए ना कौन सी दवाई? हाँ, आज तुम्हारा देखा बेटा, तुम्हारा जन्मदिन है, सोचा विश कर दें। और दवाई ववाई चाहिए तो नहीं है?
Hi Karan, happy birthday and there is a small surprise for you. A gift. बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, तुम जियो हजारों साल है मेरी ये आरज़ू। Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday to Karan, happy birthday to you. Bye.
A very, very, very happy birthday to you, Karan. You're my best friend, the brother I never had, my partner in crime. I only wish you happiness, a lot of success, wealth, and good health for the rest of your life. And you have always been a very special and dear friend to me. I'm sure you know that. Apart from that, I hope I'm able to make this birthday special and memorable for you and Hina, both. और पुराने दिन याद आते हैं अब जब लॉकडाउन खत्म होगा. I hope we are able to make many such more memories. और over to Vishesh Gupta signing off. Mrs. Zirish Vishesh Gupta Shah. Bye bye.
Hi Karan, मेरे भाई, wishing you a very very happy birthday. 32 साल का हो गया तू, जिसमें से करीब करीब 16 से 17 साल तो हम दोनों ने साथ में बिताए हैं और पता नहीं हमने क्या क्या देखा है साथ में. टाइम बदल गया, वक्त बदल गया, जज्बात बदल गए. भाई की शादी हो गई, दोनों भाइयों की शादी हो गई, दोनों दूर दूर हो गए हैं, थोड़ा सा कम मिलते हैं, कम बातें होती हैं, पर फिर भी प्यार अभी भी बरकरार है और आगे भी ऐसे ही रहना चाहिए. तो एक बार फिर से जन्मदिन बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो मेरे भाई.
जन्मदिन की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं. हम तो बन गए पायलट, तेरा कब खून खौलेगा रे.
Wish you a very very happy birthday, Karan. May you get all the happiness and all your dreams come true this year. और तेरा epic Denver का हंसी has become your style right now. So वो करते रहे और खुश रहे, पार्टी कर and be the fun person that you always are. Happy birthday once again.
Happy birthday चाचू, हैप्पी बर्थडे
चाचू.
अरे चाचू थोड़ी है, ये तो ताया हुआ ना.
नहीं नहीं चाचू है. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday चाचू.
हैप्पी बर्थडे करण शानी उर्फ पायलट साहब.
Happy birthday Karan. May God bless you. Lots of love. Happy birthday.
Hi Karan,
हाय करन,
happy birthday.
विशिंग यू वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे. और प्लीज बर्थडे की पार्टी मत बचाना, शादी में तो बुलाया नहीं, बर्थडे में बुलाना, ठीक है?
Many happy returns, bro.
हैव फन.
Bye.
Wish you a very happy birthday, Karan. Have an awesome day and have a very cheesy birthday.
और करण बेटा क्या हाल है? पहचाना? पापा. 32 साल का हो गया बेटा तू, हैं? कौन से दारू पे लाएगा आज पापा को? चल पापा आते हैं तेरे पास, फिर आके पार्टी शार्टी करेंगे साथ में, 2-2 पैग लगाएंगे, ठीक है? चल बेटा बाय.
हेलो करण भाई, आई नो मेरी वीडियो माइट कम अप एज अ सरप्राइज टू यू, बट हियर आई एम विशिंग यू अ वेरी वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे. हमेशा खुश रहो एंड स्टे ब्लेस्ड. आई नो मैं थोड़ा बड़ों की तरह विश कर रहा हूँ, बट हाँ मेरा फर्स्ट टाइम है. सो एंड व्हाट एल्स आई कैन से, cheers to our favorite time and Abu Dhabi. याद आता है टाइम, बहुत अच्छा टाइम था. काफ़ी चीज़ें, काफ़ी यादें हैं जो हमने बनाई हैं. और बस होप हम जल्दी जल्दी फ्लाई करेंगे, वेरी सून. बहुत जल्दी फ्लाई करेंगे, अच्छे से फ्लाई करेंगे, साथ में फ्लाई करेंगे. एंड डू यू वांट सम चिकन कढ़ाई? हैप्पी बर्थडे.
Hi Karan, happy birthday. Wish you a tremendously happy and a very very fulfilling birthday. Lots of love to you and Hina. Bye bye.
Happy birthday Karan. हम 2018 में मिले थे शायद. हाँ, लिमसी की शादी पे. आई गेस तभी फर्स्ट टाइम मिलते. तब से हम दोस्त हैं. अब तेरी शादी भी हो गई. मुझे नहीं पता मुझे क्या बोलना, बट हैप्पी बर्थडे. गॉड ब्लेस यू. एंजॉय. तुम दोनों के लिए बहुत स्पेशल डे हो गई. महीने की शादी हुई है, तेरा बर्थडे है. नाइस. हाँ, आईलाइनर मैंने तेरी वीडियो के लिए लगाया और यहाँ पे लिप्स पे लगाया था. लिपस्टिक लगाई थी, मिटा दी. कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं आ रहा. ठीक है, बाय.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.